Hey guys, I just wanted to wish you a happy new year 2021. We made it through 2020. It was a really tough year, but it was also a great year because I passed the 10K subscriber mark, which was a big landmark for me. So I want to say thanks so much for supporting the channel throughout the year and throughout the time I've had the channel. I hope to have more really good content for you coming in 2021. And I'm also having a New Year's sale. It'll be going on till this Sunday. So make sure, instead of making New Year's resolutions that are based on emotion and they just peter out after a couple of weeks, do something that's going to help you make lasting gains with your art, which I know you want. And that's to join my community of artists that are working hard, they're supportive, and they've got good habits. And just by hanging out with them, that's going to rub off on you, okay? And that's the way that you make gains, little by little, inch by inch, daily, instead of let's just do it and it's all emotion and it's just not going to last. So make sure you check the link in the description for the course, and I hope to see you in the course because I want you to do the best that you can do. And so again, have a great New Year's. I'm wishing you all the best in 2021, and I'll see you around.